All right, let's dive right in. Today, we're taking a super powerful idea from Napoleon Hill's classic book, Think and Grow Rich, and we're going to make it work for us, right here, right now. We're talking about the direct line between making decisive moves and actually building real wealth. So let's break down how the most successful people on the planet think, and how you can start doing the exact same thing.
So let me just ask you this, right off the bat. What do you think is the single biggest thing that stops people from getting what they want in life? Just think about it for a second. What's that one thing?
And I bet I know what you're thinking. Maybe it's a lack of talent, right? Or maybe not knowing the right people, not having the right opportunities. But here's the thing. After decades of studying the world's most successful people, it turns out that's not it at all.
The real dream killer? It's this. Indecision. You know that feeling? It's that paralysis you get from overthinking, getting stuck in that endless loop of what if, what if, what if. It stalls all your progress and just fills your head with doubt. It's a huge problem, but the good news? It's something we can absolutely fix. And this brings us to something I call the decisiveness divide. You know, Napoleon Hill, when he was studying absolute titans like Andrew Carnegie and Henry Ford, he found this one single trait that separated the people who built fortunes from those who just wish they could.
And this slide right here, this lays it out perfectly. The wealthy mindset. It's a two-part formula. Part 1, decide quickly. But Part 2, and this is so crucial, change those decisions slowly. They commit. The wishful mindset, they do the total opposite. They stress out for weeks over a decision, and then the second something goes wrong, they bail. The real power is in that combo. Act fast, and then stick with it.
So how do we get this millionaire's mindset? Well, it's all about embracing this core idea of decisive action and really understanding the incredible momentum that it creates.
This quote just nails it. A quick decision, even if it's not perfect, gets you moving. It gets the ball rolling. The goal isn't to be flawless right out of the gate. The goal is just to start. You act now and you tweak and refine your plan as you go. It's all about progress over perfection, always.
Now, I know what you might be thinking. Hey, that's some cool advice from the 1930s, but does that really apply today? And the answer is, oh yeah, it's more critical now than ever before. Let's look at how this plays out in today's crazy fast world.
I mean, just think about it. We live in a world where a huge opportunity can pop up and disappear in just a few days, sometimes even hours. A crypto coin goes to the moon, a new AI tool goes viral on X, a new side hustle trend just explodes out of nowhere. In this kind of world, hesitation isn't just a delay, it's a massive financial cost.
Let's look at a quick example. So this is Jake. He found a great ETF, but he hesitated, he overthought it, and he missed out on a 15% gain. He was so frustrated, he decided, okay, never again. On his next move, a crypto play, he used Hill's principle. He acted decisively. And this chart shows you exactly what happened, a 20% profit. That one decision didn't just make him money, it proved the power of the mindset and started building some serious momentum.
Okay, so we get the why. This is obviously super important. But now for the how. How do you actually do this? Let's get practical and break this down into a solid plan you can literally start using today. Here it is, your 5-step plan to becoming a master of decisiveness. Step 1, set a hard deadline, 48 hours. It forces you to act. 2, gather just enough info to feel good about it. Not perfect, and we're going to talk more about that in a sec. 3, trust your gut. Does this choice line up with your long-term vision? 4, commit. Go all in, but know you can always adjust your tactics later. And finally, step 5, learn from every single choice. Win or lose, it's all data. You're just getting smarter for the next round.
Now let's zoom in on step 2, because this is so important. Do not aim for 100% certainty. It's a trap. Aim for 80%. That's the sweet spot. That's where you have enough information to make a solid move. That last 20%, that's the danger zone. That's where analysis paralysis lives. The 80% rule is your secret weapon to escape that trap and get yourself in motion. And here are a few extra pro tips to help you lock this in. First, always gut check your decisions against your big goals. Second, use your network. Jump into an X community or a mastermind group for some quick feedback. And finally, track everything. The data will prove to you that you're getting better at this, and that's going to build unstoppable confidence.
All right, we've gone through the why and the how. Now it's time to turn all this talk into action. So, right now, I'm giving you a challenge. You've got 48 hours. That's it. Pick one, just one, financial decision you've been putting off. Starting that side hustle, making that investment, whatever it is, and make a choice. Take one real step in the next 2 days. This is how you shatter the habit of indecision for good.
So I'm going to leave you with this one last thought. Everything you want, your wealth, your freedom, your goals, it is all waiting for you on the other side of a decision. The only question left is, are you going to make it?